my love. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas, and you guys, I hope you have a great new year. My name is Nyasha Morenzi, and this is Makeup a Difference. Didn't have the best Christmas, but I'm here, keep pushing and keep going, because we walk by faith and not by sight. Today's video, a New Year's look. This is for the people who are going to cross over, whether you're a church party or a celebration, just do it in style. We're gonna go full entire super glam today. Do not matter how you enter your new year, you're gonna enter looking fabulous. So let's get into this tutorial. I've done my brows. This video is gonna be mostly voiceover because my voice is a little cranky, guys. So we're starting off with our eyes. That means, you know, there might be a little bit of fallout, and I'm using my Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer, and I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution palette, and the look I'm going for is like a sideways halo eye look. I'll put a picture for reference what I was kind of going for. I know it looks weird, but because usually you just focus on the center, but it's a little slanted. I wanted something extra sultry but yet elegant, so I actually call this the elegant New Year's makeup look. Like you're going to the ball, or you're going to like an evening dinner, something like that. Anyway, so I'm adding in a bit of brown and orange right in the middle, just a bit of dimension, and I'm blending that in. So in the middle I am going to be putting some glitter and all of that, so I'm just kind of shaping there so it's not too harsh, because I don't want it too harsh. Also, it's good to enter looking good in style, but remember who's kept you all this way. Only God and no one else. But let's move on. I did go in with the NYX glitter as well, so but first I do go in with my P. Louise palette. It's got a bit of glitter, like a champagne color just in the middle where it's slanted. As you can see, this is not your ordinary halo eyeshadow look. It's completely unique, and I've been loving this look actually. So I'm doing a super intense wing liner, which makes my eyes even more sultry, and I love it. So let's go into base. I went in with my H&B Cosmetics in the shade 20W, blending that in. A big massive thank you to you guys. You've made so much of my journey this year, as starting off as a content creator on YouTube and other platforms as well. So I just want to thank you guys for being part of the journey. I'm so blessed to have you guys in our little community, and I'm hoping and praying for bigger, better things coming up this new year. Let me know, you guys, what you are doing for the New Year's Eve, how you are crossing over in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. But anyway, let's get back into it. I blended that concealer in. It's the same H&B concealer in the shade 4W. Look at the flawlessness. I also use the H&B Cosmetics setting powder just to set all over. I went in with the Pink Peach blush. I just thought it complemented the look on my cheekbones. We're setting all of that together, and it's time for the gems. I was literally gonna put gems all along the way, my liner, but I just thought, let me just put a little bit. And I love how this looks, guys. If you know me on how I do my makeup looks, this is not usually how I do them. It's out of my comfort zone, but I thought, why not? I can do soft glam, I can do super glam. That's the fun thing about makeup. I went in with my warm nude lip gloss from Makeup Revolution and the brown liner, She Glam gloss as well. Then I'm setting it together with my Super Fix finishing spray, and this is the final look, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. It was short and sweet, but it was a full glam look. You guys, absolutely love this. It just gives me evening dinner. It just gives me, you know, it's like a bit of both. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next year. I hope you guys have a great happy new year, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.